In a small saucepan, add 1/4 cup of water and a heaping 1/4 cup of apple juice. I believe the original recipe called for using all apple juice, but that always seemed a bit too sweet for my liking, so I decided to cut it with water. Next, add 1/4 cup of raisins. Put a lid on the pan, and under medium-high heat, bring the contents to a boil. Add 1/3 cup of couscous and stir it in. Cover the pan, remove from heat, and let sit for 5 minutes. Fluff the mixture with a fork, transfer to a bowl, and top liberally with chopped almonds, anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 cup. Cook a single serving of creamy wheat cereal of choice according to the package directions. In this example, I'm using cream of wheat. In a small saucepan, bring 1 1/4 cups of water to a boil. Stir in 3 tablespoons of cream of wheat. After the mix returns to a boil, reduce the heat to low and cook uncovered for 2.5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Thoroughly mash 1 ripened banana and add to the saucepan. Next, add some nutritional yeast flakes. I typically use anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 cup. Finally, top with maple syrup, approximately 1 tablespoon, or to taste. Mix thoroughly. Transfer to a bowl. Maybe drizzle some additional maple syrup, and enjoy.